Hello, dear SAP colleagues and SAP friends. As you can see, I'm already logged on in my system. And in today's video, I would like to show you how you can create a variant of a report. And if you want me to explain what a variant is beforehand, I would like to give you an example. Well, let's imagine that you're working in the bank insurance industry or in the financial industry, as it is called. And in this industry, there is one thing which is called mainframe. And with this word mainframe, the people are explaining that for instance, that in the night, but it could be out throughout the day, that in the night there um, is a very big sequence of jobs which would be executed. Some of the jobs would have, so to say, connections to one another, but these jobs are, as I said, they can be executed throughout the night, but they can execute it throughout the day. There are different, um, so to say, networks of such jobs, and in order this to be possible without a person who is executing each and every job, there must be variants of these jobs that are already um, set, so to say, and already created. And now I can give you an example. The transaction that I am using for this purpose is called SE38. And now I would like to show you I will do the example with a program which is SAP standard program, and this is the program here. It doesn't really matter what program I will be using now, but the thing is that you just have to type your program here, then go to variants, then show, and then you can type your name of the variant here in this in this field here. And for instance, now I will just type test and then new, test new, and then you can try to show it with this button to show the variant. But as you can see, it became red here because there is no such variant. And now we can try to create it. And what is happening is the selection window of the program itself is opening. And at this point, you just have to type all your specific requirements, specific selection settings that you want to execute the program with. And the variant will have them in it. And every time when, for instance, you are setting this program into the mainframe, into the network of jobs, then this variant can be set as well, and the selections would you would not have to type every time the specific selections that you want to execute. They will be saved in the variant, and the variant would be able to provide them to the, for instance, mainframe, to the system which is maintaining the network of jobs. And now I would like to, yeah, for instance, this can be a range of a range of um, a range of contracts, excuse me, and this could be, for instance, 100 to 100,000 to 200,000. I don't know why, but just an example. The product art, the art of the product can be specific. The status of the contracts can be also specific. For instance, 60. You want always to execute the contracts which are having 60. If I have to say a few words about this program, that is a standard program that we are using here now, the report. This is a report which is part of SAP Zara, which is the function of SAP for archiving the contracts, and this is what actually this program is doing. This program is changing the status of the contracts in order for them to be, for instance, archived or deleted in a specific point in the time. I would like, if this is a productive job, there would not be, this one would not be selected. It would not be a simulation. But for instance, maybe you would like to have always a protocol which would be saved and maybe some more data in this protocol. And also you can have, yeah, this one. I'm not going to explain the specifics behind this report because they do not matter. And then just you click enter. Enter, and then attributes, exactly. And then you need a small explanation here of what is this, and I'll say this is a variant for test. Okay, and then you can select some more options here. The first one is saying that this variant would not be executed directly. The program would not be able to be executed directly, for instance, from SE80. The program would be executed only from mainframe. This is what this button is doing. With this one, you are protecting the variant. You are saying that the variant would not be changed. And with this one, you're saying that the variant should be shown in the list with variants, which is not a bad thing. And I would like to protect it as well, but I would like also to use the variant always. It doesn't really matter how the program would be executed. And this is it. There are some more specifics here. You can also set specifics to the specific fields of the well, actually these are again the selection parameters, so to say, and you can provide for every parameter a specific thing. For instance, we have here again the contract numbers, so to say, and you can say now I want to protect this field, and the variant would not well, nobody would be able to change the variant, to change this field in the variant. But I think if this one is selected, then nothing would be changed. I'm not really sure about this one, but yeah, it's all about protection here, and it is very important that if this one is selected, I'm sure you would not be able to change the variant. The variant would be protected. So yeah, this is it. Now save, and it is ready. Now we can go backwards. And now if we have here the name of the variant, test new, and then show, you see what exactly the variant is. You have here low and high for the contract numbers. You have the status equal, BT stays for between, and yeah, this is it. Okay. If you have some comments about it, you can write them in the comments or reach me by the email that I've provided in my channel. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and till next time, friends.